How to add video to Airbnb listing. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. As of November 2024, Airbnb does not support the direct upload of videos to property listings, unfortunately. However, you can enhance your listing by incorporating video content through the following methods. First, you can upload to any of the hosting sites. For example, you can create a YouTube video or Vimeo video. Create a video showcasing your property and upload it to platforms. You can also include links in your listing. While Airbnb's policy may restrict direct links in the description, you can mention that a video tour is available and provide the title or channel name for guests to search. You can also share on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Post your property video on these platforms for the guests to check. You can then guide your guests to your profiles. In your Airbnb listing, inform potential guests that they can view a video tour by visiting your social media profiles. You can also create a personal website or blog about your property. So these were a few methods on how you can add a video to Airbnb listing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.